Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can hide photos on OPPO A60. In order to hide photos, we can use the secret folder in Google Files. So first we're gonna find the app, so let's open the app drawer, and then over here we need to find Files by Google. Once we open it, we can press continue. Of course we can allow notifications. Over here, if we go to Images category, then of course we'll find all photos that we have on our device. If you want to hide a photo, then you can select the photo, tap on these three dots over here, and then choose to move to save folder. If you didn't set up the save folder or the secure folder yet, then you will start the configuration. In my case, I'm gonna choose pin code, and I'm gonna use a simple pin code to access. One more time. And there we go. Of course, we have to remember the pin code. And there we go. We have one file moved. Now, if we go back, we will see that the photo has been removed from the images. And now, in order to access it, we need to go to the save folder in the same app. Enter the pin code. And there we go. We have our photo. And if you want to take it out of the save folder, you can tap on these three dots on the right side. And there we go. We have moved out of save folder. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!